Dear investors, the first stage of my project DASIM is the creation of a draft designed by the French shipbuilding company DASIM, with which there is a preliminary agreement. This draft design will correspond to my patent for the invention vessel hull, which characterizes the movement of ships on the airstream. The cost is €9,500. According to the terms of reference, DASIM shall perform the exterior and interior of the vessel with all the necessary calculations, as well as the entire specification of equipment in accordance with the invention. The idea of building airflow vessels was born in 1993 when I rented 2 ships for cargo transportation. One of them flat-bottomed with a carrying capacity of 1,000 tons. In the village of Ivansk, north of the Russian Federation, where there are no berths, the captain and I made a decision to approach the shore at high tide. To do this, we took advantage of the high tidal nature of the northern seas, from 7 to 11 meters, and preliminarily took outboard water into the ship's tanks to cool diesel generators. And during low tide, the ship sat down on the sandy bottom, that is, it dried up. The customs trucks approached the board, and we unloaded the ship. The whole operation was so successful and brought savings in manpower and money that I immediately set to work on with drawings and diagrams. My task was to create a type of vessel that is able to go to undeveloped beaches and carry out loading and unloading operations at any time and in any place. An airflow vessel fulfills this task and is especially indispensable in places where there is no coastal infrastructure. In addition, the vessel has other unique operational characteristics: speed up to 60 knots, the ability to adjust the draft, reduce fuel consumption up to 30%. Airflow vessels can be widely used in the development and use of the world's oceans. Research purposes, mining and processing industries, cargo and passenger transportation, tourism business, yacht and houseboats construction. And it is in the construction of houses on the water, houseboats, that I plan to start mastering my vessels. This area of application is in demand, developed, and is gaining momentum. Houseboats under my patent have huge advantages over existing ones. Only my houseboats are capable of providing accommodation in inaccessible places on the planet. These vessels, having a high speed of movement, can quickly move the owner and his family for rest from winter to summer, eliminating a lot of problems that accompany the traditional way of rest. Respectfully yours, Mikhail Kharchenko.
Спасибо за внимание.